So this is going to be a quick video on how to change the logos in the Smart 453 or the Renault using DDT4ALL software. Now, as always, I'm not plugged into my car at the moment, so I'm going to hit edition mode, but you're going to hit connected mode, and then you'll get an option with three options. One of them says CAN. Obviously you'll click the CAN option because that's how we connect to the car, but like I say, I'm going to use edition mode. Just takes a couple of seconds. Now, because I'm in edition mode, my screen here is already populated, but what you will do is you're going to hit the scan button here, the little search button. That will scan through the car and populate window 1 here. So to do the logos, what you need to do is navigate down to nav. I'll find it. Navigation. Double click on that and highlight that, and then what you need to do is find MFD and then the highest version on here, which I think for myself is going to be 4.6. Now double click on that, and then that will go into the second box. Obviously double click on that again if it wants to play today, and that's self-populate box 3. Now with that, what you need to do is click on configuration, which expands here, and then again you want to click on ECU configuration, and the one that says radio, it says radio, audio and so on, but the radio, double click on that and that will populate this main screen. Now what you want to do is come down here to where it says branding. Now when you click on branding, it's got loads of different options. Obviously there's different car brands. I don't know why you'd want that. But you go down, you've got JBL audio there, Mercedes, you've got different Renault ones. Again, I don't know why you'd want that. Smart, TomTom, there was Bose as well. But obviously you can pick whichever one you want. So say you wanted Bose, you click Bose, and then hit this option here that says right to car. But what you need to do, first of all, hit Einstein, go into expert mode, hit, and then where it lost it again, branding, where it says that, and then hit right to car. Click that, and that is, mine won't work because it will say fail. But all you have to do then, hit right to car, and that is it. That will populate a few things down here in the command bit, but yeah, that is all. It's that quick, it's that simple. Obviously, if the video is useful, please give it a like. Please look to subscribe to the channel, and as always, if you've got any questions or comments or any videos that you want, put a comment in the comment section, or send me an email. I'll drop my email link or my Instagram link in the details section. Just give me a message and I'll get back to you as quick as I can. But thank you very much, and I'll see you later.